guys, Cody Zell here at Nevada Physical Therapy. Today I wanted to show you guys a couple stretches for your hip. Oftentimes people with low back pain, hip pain, even knee pain, they'll be getting some tightness through their hip, especially in that internal rotation. So these are two stretches that we oftentimes give people if they're experiencing those types of symptoms and they're having some limited mobility through that hip. We want to make sure we have a good hip window. So one of the stretches, we'll start with a passive stretch. We call it a hip IR stretch on the wall. What you'll do is you'll get into this 90-90 position. All you have to do is just kick your foot out on the hip that you want to stretch. Then you're going to slowly bring this hip in. And then to get that passive stretch, you can bring your opposite foot over and slowly bring it in. You want to make sure you're not getting any growing pain. You want to make sure that stretch is coming on the outside of your hip. You can hold that there for 30 seconds, a couple times. Relax, and then you can do the other side. Again, you want to make sure you bring that foot out, bring it in, and then bring your other foot over to try to help get that stretch through there. Again, you don't want any growing pain with this. The other stretch that we oftentimes give people is called the active hip internal rotation stretch. So what you do is you get in this position here. All you're going to do is just dive your foot down actively, your knee down, sorry, and then come back up. You can alternate. You can hold this for a few seconds and then come out of it. And you can alternate. Try these out throughout the day, also maybe before your workouts, and see how they help.